Hello everybody, today we'll do this split. And how to do that I will show you now. So we'll starting working with our legs and takes 2 legs in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, open and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we'll drawing circle. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, if you want beautiful middle split, stay with me because today I will show you a new exercise which you not see, and then we will do on another side the same exercise. So 2, 3. Okay, after that we'll take 2 legs and working with 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay in this pose and working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, take 2 legs together. Take your breath. Slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me and take me a like. So bye bye.